Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a white blank screen when trying to log into Xbox app. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to uninstall gaming services. To do this, go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. Search for gaming services. Click on the three dot icon and select uninstall and select uninstall again. After uninstalling it, you can try to log into Xbox app and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to repair and reset the Xbox app. To do this, go to search menu and type Xbox. Right click on the Xbox and select app settings. You just need to scroll down and select the repair option and select the reset option. After getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to update Windows and check whether date and time is correct or not. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side, select Windows Update. Select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys. After updating it, on left side select time and language. Select date and time. You just need to turn on set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Both of it turn it on, and after turning on you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.